Good morning. So to start off, let's review our months of the year. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right, you guys try it with me now. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, let's look at our days of the week. So our days of the week, let's say them all out loud. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today is now Wednesday. So let's move our arrow over here and point to Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, then yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, let's look at our calendar. So the number that comes after 6 is going to be 7. So today is Wednesday, October 7th. Okay, so yesterday we were in school for 20 days. So I'm looking at my hundreds chart. Where am I going to go next? Do I go straight down? Do I go over here? Well, what number comes after 20? 21. So to get to 21, when I get to the end of my hundreds chart, I want to jump all the way back over to the beginning, just like when we're reading. You want to go to the next line when we're reading. So same thing with our hundreds chart. So we have been in school for 21 days. So if we write our number 21, now let's build it with our base 10 blocks. So if we look in the tens place, we see we have 2. So I need 2 tens rods. And there is a 1 in the ones place. So I need 1, 1. All right, guys, so that's how we represent 21 with our base 10 blocks. We have 2 tens and 1, 1. All right, I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.